In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to add a timer to your Google Forms quiz and share it with your audience. This is perfect when you want to keep assessments focused and ensure everyone has the same time to respond. Start by opening your Google form and heading to the top right corner. Click the three-dot icon, often called More Options. This is the menu that gives you access to extra tools and settings that don't appear on the main toolbar. From that menu, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window. Think of this as an app store for Google Forms. In the search bar, type a keyword like Quiz Timer or the name of a known tool, such as Quilgo. You'll see several options. Open a timer add-ons page to read the description, check ratings, and confirm it's compatible with Google Forms. When you're ready, click Install. You may be asked to choose your Google account and grant permissions. This is normal for marketplace tools. Approve the prompts and wait for the installation to finish. You should see a confirmation once it's done. Next, open the add-on inside Google Forms. You'll usually find it under the Puzzle Piece Add-ons icon or within the Extensions menu. Launch the timer tool for this specific form. Now set the time limit for your quiz. For example, 10 minutes. Many timer add-ons let you fine-tune details like when the timer starts, whether it auto-submits at 0, or how the timer appears to respondents. The exact options vary by tool, so take a moment to review the settings you see. Make sure you save or apply your changes so the timer is active on this form. A quick tip: clearly mention the time limit in your form's description so participants know what to expect before they begin. When you're ready to share your timed quiz, click the Publish button at the top right, the purple button in the Google Forms interface. This will give you sharing options so you can provide the link to respondents. Copy the link and distribute it through your usual channels. If your organization requires sign-in, double-check those settings first so only the right people can access the quiz. Once someone opens the form, the timer you configured will control how long they have to complete it. That's it. You've installed a timer add-on, configured your time limit, and published your timed quiz for participants.